Hi guys! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I hope you've cleared your schedule for crafting this weekend. I'm Ange and today I'm going to share with you my tutorial on making faux jade stone using clay. For this tutorial, I used the following materials: a clay roller, a clay blade, and the following colors of clay: Fimo soft in peppermint, or if you don't have that, Premo sculpey in turquoise will also work. Premo sculpey accents pearly white, and Fimo effects in glitter green. I also used a lot of molds with gemstone shapes. It took me a while to figure out how to make this look like a jade gemstone because I wanted to get the intense green of the jade and also the mottled white colors on it. So first, I began conditioning the green clay. If you think that this color is not in the same shade as jade, or if you're not happy with how green it is, I suggest adding the tiniest bit of black. But please add it sparingly as black can really intensify the colors of the green. Next, I conditioned the blue and I rolled it out into the number 4 setting. And finally, I conditioned the pearly white and rolled it out into the number 4 setting as well. I put the white on top of the blue slab and sliced them into thin slices. Then, I used my clay roller to roll it out carefully. This should make stripes. I roll this out into a log and set it aside. Then, I get the green clay and roll it out into a ball. I slice the log into thin slices and put the slices randomly on the ball. I did this a few more times because I planned to make different shapes. Now, I roll each ball, sometimes pulling at the clay until I'm happy with the mottling of the white color. Next, I get my molds out. I didn't dust the molds with mica as I used to do because these are very soft silicone molds and the clay does not stick to it at all. I pressed the ball down and sliced off the excess clay. I repeat this for all the different shapes that I wanted to try. And then I cleaned up the shapes using either a cutter or a blade. Finally, I punch out the holes where I want my findings to go. And then to clean everything up, I put a little bit of alcohol on a cotton bud and just wipe away the parts that I want smoothened out. Then, I bake these following the instructions on the packaging. I also wanted to show you what I did with the pair. I used earring findings and attached everything with pliers. And there you have it for this weekend's tutorial. It really took a lot of experiments on my end, but I'm glad that after doing all those experiments, I figured out the easiest way to have this mottled effect on the clay. I really loved how these turned out, even if it did give me a hard time in the beginning. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thanks for spending some time with me, and please do watch out for more craft videos for the weeks to come. Bye!